Greetings everyone, Brett here with Hammerhead Model Making, back with another 5-minute review. Today we're going to be taking a look at Horizon Models 1/72nd scale Mercury Redstone rocket. Now, I have to say that I contemplated whether or not to do this review, and the reason is because Horizon Models has recently gone out of business, and I think it's a real shame. I only just found out about this company when I found out about their going out of business sale. I managed to pick up one of these kits, but I figured it would still be better to do the review just in case you have the opportunity to come across one of these kits and you're a fan of like early space race type stuff. Definitely consider getting this kit. So this does represent the Mercury Redstone. I believe they also had a Mercury Atlas rocket as well. So this is like very, very beginning of the U.S. manned space flight. And what's cool about this kit is that it allows you to build all of the different variations of the Mercury Redstone rocket and capsule. The overall quality of the plastic is really nice. The engraving and the details are really sharp and crisp, very present. Everything that should be there is there, and I'm quite impressed with the overall quality of the plastic. If I had to levy one criticism on the larger pieces of the body, as the curvature comes down towards where the sprue would be, the rivets, because of the limitations of injected plastic mold, it has some weird issues with like the rivets along the very sides that would probably just need to be corrected through filling, sanding, and re-riveting. But I mean, that is a common issue with injected mold, plastic kits. Overall, decals look really nice, pretty straightforward and simple. The instructions do point out that you can build any of the versions of the Mercury Redstone rocket, so you do have a lot of different options here in terms of the markings, as well as like full stencil data. So that's nice. So yeah, you definitely can, you can pick and choose what you want to do here. Looking through the instructions, they are laid out pretty nicely and very detailed. One of the things to note in this kit is that orientation of the kit is extremely important, because there are very specific details and photo etch pieces and decals that go like on very specific quadrants of the rocket body. So you really have to pay attention, read the text in the instructions. It's very helpful to understand what you need to build and where you need to put things, especially because there are different options for like the capsule. It has different versions and different details, both in plastic and photo etch. So it would be very important and very beneficial to really read through these instructions before committing to your build. It does have a very extensive decal placement guide and painting guide. So as far as I can tell, it leaves very little room for ambiguity. And if you're following the instructions to the letter, I think it'll knock out an extremely nice looking version of essentially the first manned space travel for the U.S. I'm a big fan of the early space race stuff. Big fan of early U.S. rocketry, and of all the different manned U.S. manned space flights. The Mercury Redstone is one of my favorite rocket designs. It's simple. It's not very big. In 1/72nd scale, this comes in at like less than a foot tall, 12 inches tall. It's really not very big. About an inch, a little bit bigger than an inch in diameter. So easily can go in your display case on your shelf or whatever. But just a very iconic piece of space race history. So if you can manage to find one of these kits out there, I definitely recommend picking one up. Again, it's a shame that Horizon Models has gone under, because this is really nice. I wish I would have found them sooner. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. Huge shout out to the patrons. And if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit subscribe and like the video and tell me what you think down below. See you on the next video.